sick is this shit? Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to a brand new video. I'm pretty aghast for this video because I have a box. I actually have a box. A company actually has sent me out 2 of their products and they are pretty sick products. One of them I already have, but it's an upgrade to my one, and the other one I haven't got, and we're going to be testing that in today's video. So 2 new car accessories, let's try them out. Really quickly though, I don't think anybody's seen this, but look at this new bed. So we got the main 2 products right here. I'll show you guys them in a sec. And then we've got the accessories right here. And then we've got all the air fresheners here. The company that actually sent me out all of this stuff is Road Angel, as you guys can see there. Now this is quite a high-end company, so they produce literally the best kind of products. All their links will be in the description below. They're a really high-end company, so this is gonna be sick. So the first thing is this Road Angel Halo Pro, and this is a dash cam. The next thing is a Road Angel Pure, and I'm pretty sure that this is a speed camera detector, as well as like a monitor for your speed and stuff like that. Make sure you don't go over the speed limit. And then obviously all the accessories I will go into in just a second once I've unboxed all this. We firstly agree to the manual. Oh, and look at that! Jeez! So let's take out the front dash cam. This does actually come with a front and rear camera, which is cool. Mate, the unboxing of this is actually, and look at, And then obviously here is the rear camera. Let's peel off this little camera protector. There you go. And then here is the rear camera. This is the Road Angel Halo Pro, and honestly, the things that this thing can do is honestly just sick. This has got built-in GPS firstly, which normally with dash cams you need to buy an extra to plug it in, so there's more wires and stuff like that. This one has built-in one, which is flipping sick. 2K recording, Wi-Fi, telematics, which I think is like your speed and stuff like that. I'm not 100% sure. This can track your speed and it's sick, honestly. Next product is this speed camera detector. It detects speed cameras, it detects red light cameras, it shows you your speed, it shows you the speed limit in that area. We've got the actual device itself. So here we have the speed camera detector. This will just sit on your either dash or your windscreen, and yeah, it will tell you when there's a speed camera and stuff like that. So yeah, this windscreen is for connecting this to the actual like glass of the car. Obviously we've got a screen protector for it, hard wiring kits, one's 5 volt and one's 12 volt. This is for if you want to record overnight, like on your car. So let's say you're parked in a car park and it will continuously record that whole time basically. So yeah, let's actually head down to the car and we can start installing this beach. Just quickly, for these air fresheners I will be giving some of these away on Instagram. I'm going to keep one for myself and then give the rest away for anybody who wants these. So if you do want them, go follow me on Instagram at @_OtherStuff. I'll be posting about it soonish after this video goes up. So we are now in the tuk-tuk right now, honestly. Basically, I'm gonna show you guys how I fit it. Not gonna go into crazy depth, but we've got the dash cam right here, and then we're gonna fit this to the back of the car. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna take off this little peely bit. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna like basically yank down on the dash, on the fabric, and we're gonna tuck it in so that it's like this. I'll show you guys a close up in a sec. Okay, so we are now basically done fitting the rear camera. Obviously it goes down there. Now this isn't the most, basically there's cables hanging out the top one, cables hanging out from there. I'll sort that all out another day because it's too hot right now. we're gonna turn on the ignition for the car.
Halo active.
Woo! All connected, boy. And basically they have a app, and here it is. It's basically connected instantly. This is sick! Mate, it shows you the dash cam and it shows you where I am in the flipping world. Let's quickly sort out the camera angle. You can actually move it. There you go, that's kind of perfect. And then, oh, you can see the back camera. Mate, that looks really nice for a back camera. I need to change the angle on that one as well, so I'll be right back. So I think what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna quickly go down the road and then we're gonna have a look at the dash cam basically. Honestly, and like the thing is, I'm still connected to the dash cam. Mate, how sick is this shit? And we can also look at the back of the camera. Mate, what? Right, so it is the next day and I actually went to town yesterday. I got some dashcam footage, like not crazy entertaining dashcam footage, but yeah. I want to show you guys the footage straight away. This camera is absolutely beautiful. Here is the front camera. And here is the rear camera. The rear camera is better than my front camera on my other dash cam. Right, so we are back again in this boiling hot car, and I've basically just set up the speed camera detector kind of thing. And look, basically, if you look right here, you can see the monitor, and it literally, the cool thing about this is the mount that it comes on. There's also a mount for the windscreen. I also got that, but we're just gonna see for this right now. It just comes right off. This is quite an expensive piece of like technology, so you don't really want to be leaving it in the car. And I like that you can just, you know, like just take it off like that. It's simple as that. Honestly, this is sick. It shows you, obviously, it shows you the speed limit and also shows you my miles per hour, which obviously I'm not moving right now, so there's none. So yeah, there it is though, and that's just sick. In a future video, I'll talk about that, and I might even do a dedicated like review of it. Right then guys, so unfortunately that is the end of today's video. We have got, thank you to Road Angel for sending out their speed camera detector and their dash cam. Honestly, really impressed with both of them. I haven't tried the speed camera, so I can't really say much. If you've got to the end of this video, then comment tree, and I'll subscribe to the first 3 people who do that. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for all your support. Thank you to Road Angel for sending the products out for me to review and show. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you faces in my next video. What? How to let them know